We only have 14 basic consonants. So let's talk about this 3 first. So the L-looking one sounds like N. It makes N sound. N, N sound. And the square-looking one makes M sound. M sound. And the last one, the zigzag one, that makes L or R sound. That makes L sound. People say sometimes it sounds more like L. Sometimes it sounds more like R. So I would say like, yeah, sometimes L, sometimes R, sometimes in between. It's a different language. So we have our own sound. English alphabet here are just helping you guys understand Korean easier, but still you have to understand that not all the time one Korean to one English. So that zigzag thing is something that is sound like L. I would like to do the practice first with those N, M, L. We just take a look at. Let me bring all the vowels we already studied, which was A, O, O, U, I, E. Quiz. If I put N here, N, then how would you pronounce this word? N and A. N? 아니요. 나. And A sounds like na. And next one. If I put N here, then it's gonna be N and O. How would you pronounce this? No. N and O, no. What about this? N and O. N and O. How would you pronounce this? It's no. Okay? What about this? N and U. How would you pronounce this? N and U. It's no. What about N and U? N and U. It's N. Then what about N and E? N and E. It's ni. Then what about this two? N and E. N and E will make ne. If you already have been watching some K-dramas, I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the sound ne. What does that mean? That means yes in Korean. Ne. Yes, in a polite way. But you may be familiar with this one too. Na means I, but in a casual way. In polite way, I is to. Then what about this word? No. No is you. In very casual way. Try not to use it for now. Anyways, no is you in very casual way. And what about this? Ni. This is even more casual than no. So I recommend you to not use ni for now or even no. But anyways, they mean you in Korean. Alright then, let's talk about m. All the combination with m and vowels. Can you read those four? M and A, ma, m and O, ma, m and U, mo, m and U, mu, ma, mo, mu, mu. Let's go to the next one. M and U, m and E, me, m and E, me, ma, mo, mu, mu, me, me. Alright, now let's practice reading some real words. There's this combination n and a, and then m and u. How would you read this? 나무, which means tree. 나무. Next one. What about n and o and l and e? 노래, which means song. Then what about m and e and l and o? 미로, which means maize, 미로. So just like this, we studied 8 basic vowels and 1 special consonant, which is circle, and those 3 consonants, and you already started reading. You can comment down below if you know any more other words only using this alphabet we just studied. The second line, we have g. People say this sounds like g because it looks like gun. It's gun shape, so it sounds like G. G as in gun, G as in green, G sound, not G sound. And second, we have this D sound, D, D. Its shape is like door, so it sounds like D. And let's take a look at the third one. We have this B sound. What I said to my students, it's like a basket with some water. So it's B. Basket, B sound. Let's do some practice with this as well. We have this G, D, B. Do you guys like sweet potatoes? Sweet potatoes in Korean is this. Can you read this word now? It's 고구마. 고구마. Next, do you guys like to go to beaches? Beaches in Korean is this. 바다. 바다. You might say I sound like 바다 with P, but the funny thing is Korean people would just say that I pronounce B. Korean people tend to pronounce consonants with more air when it's starting the word. So if this D is starting the word like bridge, which is 다리, it'll sound more like T, 다리. But it's not 다리, it's 다리, 다리, with the sound. But here, with the ocean, I would say 바다, 바다. Less T sound, right? When these consonants are starting the word, Korean people tend to add more air. So D would sound like T, B would sound like P, G would sound like K. But still, you have to spell it that way. And what else do we have? We have this sound. And the second one, we have S sound, and then only one line on top of the S. And that makes J. So S and A. J and A. I might have some questions about my handwriting here, but this is also J. There's so many ways to write J's in Korean. So this is one, and this is another one. Oh, only two, I guess. Alright, so please read this word I just wrote, which is 사자. 사자. If you're a fan of K-pop Demon Hunters, you know 사자 boys. 사자 actually means lion in Korean. And 사자 also means like somebody is sent from the Deathland. So 사자 boys has two meanings, like lion boys, and they're like somebody who's sent from the Deathland. So now, can you write 사자 boys all in Korean? To write 사자 boys in Korean, first we have to make it 사. We need S sound. Then we need A sound. So it's 사, 사. And then 사자. We need J sound, which is J. And then again, we need A sound to make it 자. So it's 자, 사자, 사자. And then we also want to write boys. So it's the sound, which is basket. And then 보. We need O sound. 보. And then 보이. E. What is E? We need this vowel E. But can it stay by itself? No. You need one more. Because in Korean, you always have to put words in boxes and you have to make it 2 to 4 alphabets. So you need one more. But all we need is E sound. And that's E. In that case, we need 0 here. And then Z, Z. Again, we need J sound, which is J. And then to make it Z, Z. So this is 사자 boys. For the next one, can you write Rumi, the girl's name Rumi? Because we don't have R sound in Korean, we have to use L and make it Lumi. That zigzag was L. And then Lu, Lu. We have to make it Lumi. So U sound. Lu. And then me. We need M sound first. M. What was M? The square was M. And then me. So we need E sound here. E. That's Rumi. Let's try another one. Let's try to write Jenny's name. To write Jenny, first we need J sound. Jenny. So J. And then make it J, we need E sound. E. We use this E. J. And then Ni. Ni. N sound and E sound. N, E. So N, E. This is her name. Jenny. Jenny. Let's write Rose's name in Korean. Rose. Rose. We already wrote J, right? This is J and then E. J. All we have to do is write 로. Zigzag. And then we need O sound. So we can make it lo. So 로제. That's her name. So just like that, you can also practice writing things in Korean from now on.